Keeping the economy moving means long hours on the road for truckers and fleet managers. Accidents can lead to costly delays, vehicle damage, and most importantly, put lives at risk. That's why you need the KOCCHI'S 4AN truck camera system. It will be your reliable eyewitness, always recording. Featuring a full HD front camera in 2 waterproof infrared side view cameras and 1 wide viewing angle backup camera, the 4AN system captures every critical detail, day or night. Secure your footage with automatic cloud uploads and stay connected with built-in LTE. This universal kit includes 4 IP69 rated AHD cameras and all the wiring you need to connect them to any display unit with a reverse camera input. You'll get an extreme, unobstructed visibility of what is under and around your rig by adding the 4 cameras under your Jeep truck or side by side for off-roading, or you can mount 2 cameras on the sides of your truck and keep an eye on your blind spot. Try adding a camera to the bed for cargo view, or even mount one inside your toy hauler to keep an eye on what's going on in there. The multiple screen configurations give you the flexibility to see 1, 2, 3, or all 4 cameras at once. The 7 HD LCD digital quad view color monitor is capable of connecting and viewing simultaneously up to 4 cameras.